What up guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And yes, I'm talking weird because I do have these fake grills in my mouth. These are like for people with gap teeth, and obviously guys, these are not like how the real ones would look. And do I recommend you to buy the real ones? Yes. However, if you are somebody like me who loses jewelry, then this would be a perfect solution for you. So, as you guys can see, it's a grill, but you can see the imperfections. Like, you can see the mold, which is here. So you can see that. However, hey, listen, I like it. But yeah guys, I did get all of these for like, I got about 4 for about $15. Each one was like $5, so, or $4. I'll leave the link. It wasn't more than $15 for all 4. I just feel like it's amazing that somebody even came up with this grill for people with gap teeth. I do want to invest in the real ones, I do, but when I'm able to afford it. I definitely love having a gap, and I never want to close my gap, but I do love like the whole illusion, like, okay, you don't have a gap right now, but in a few minutes you'll have a gap. But I did see GlamNefercent, she has some grills. I did try to look up that vendor or that place, but they are no longer in service. And Sheree, love Sheree on YouTube, she also has gap grills, but I don't know where she gets hers at, and hers are real. But these, honey, are $4, and it's only like, I'm only doing it for video purposes. Like, I would only probably wear them for my videos sometimes, or maybe for a picture real quick, but to wear them every day, no, because one, they're not real, so you cannot wear them every day. Like, they are gonna wear and tear and probably start turning. These ones is the best from Best Grillz, and perfect molding bar, reusable, and it did come in this thing here, and it came with the mold, and you're just supposed to put the mold in hot water and let it sit for like 3 minutes or 2 minutes, and then you put the mold into the grill, and then put the grill in your tooth and hold it tight in place, and it'll be good. So that's what I did for the other 3. Okay, so this one is like a diamond crusted one. And like, basically guys, of course, if you like, if you get the real ones, they wouldn't look as sloppy. But listen, I'm just trying them out for video purposes. Let's see these curls. Melanin's all here, honey. This is the Burmese curly. Yes, honey. Oh, just take it out easy, simple. Okay, they don't hurt or anything. And yeah, put the other one in. And see, these ones was real cricket. I had got this in silver, gold, and rose gold. So this one is the rose gold. As you guys can see, it's so pretty. It's like really, really pretty. It's just a little crooked. I did have trouble with it. It is a little crooked, but it's so cute. Like, oh my god. These are from Wink Shades. If you guys are interested in grills too that last a little long, invest in some Wink Shade ones. Wink Shade is pretty legit. This one is the gold one, and this one is crooked as well. This one did not do well. The good thing is you can always take the mold out and redo it, okay? But yeah guys, this is optional guys. You do not have to do this. I'm just trying it out. It's affordable, and it's just something, you know, just temporary Like I said, I am gonna get some real ones, but for right now, while I can't afford it, I definitely will be rocking these fake ones. If you guys know about any grill places that cater to people with gap teeth, please let me know so I can try them out. Like I said, this is just temporary. I'm just doing it for video purposes. And yeah, guys, like, I love having a gap tooth. Let me know how many of my supporters are gap tooth people. Like, how many? Okay. And yeah, this was pretty fun doing. Very fun doing. I definitely want me some more, like some actual real ones, which I will invest in soon. Cause I kind of, you know, it's pretty easy instructions. It's just you have to get the hang of it. So it's like, that's why mine is coming out a little bit sloppy, but just don't come too close and you good. That's my little quick video about gap tooth grills. I really didn't really say much, but I was just showing you guys how I put it on and me trying them. And like I said, I did try them from Amazon. You guys do not have to do it. I know you guys are probably gonna come at me for trying anything from Amazon in my mouth, but I did it. Okay. And yeah, I really do like them. They're decent. Like I said, you cannot go to the club acting like you got grills, acting like this is your teeth, acting like this is real, because it's not. It's less than $5, you know, but it's something, you know. It's cute for, like I said, it's cute for a picture. It's cute for maybe if you're playing a role in school or something, or it's cute like that, you know. But definitely invest in real shit. But this is what I'm doing. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Okay. And yeah, I'll leave all the information to all these grills in the description box, guys. And to Wink Shades, where you could get some other grills from. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.